Hello everybody, welcome to Mad's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe for the Pan-Fried Masala Pomfret, juicy and succulent pomfret fish coated in a spicy, lip-smacking masala. To begin, clean the fish and pat dry. I have taken 2 pomfret fishes for this recipe, about 200 grams each. Make gashes so that the marinade can soak in. For the marinade, in a large bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Rub this marinade well into the fish. And leave aside for 30 minutes. For the masala, in a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania, 2 teaspoons fennel powder sauf, 1 teaspoon carom seeds ajwain, half teaspoon turmeric powder haldi, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons crushed kasuri methi, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon gram flour besan, and a tablespoon of mustard oil. If you find the paste too dry, add a few teaspoons of curd, but make sure it is not too thin. Spread this masala evenly on both sides of the pomfret. Make sure you add it into the gashes and the slits. This ensures that the masala is soaked in well by the fish. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan, depending on its size. Add the fish on medium heat. Just as you add it, shake the pan a little. This ensures that the masala and the fish do not stick to the pan. Let it cook for a few minutes before turning it over. Cook the other side too until golden brown and done. Depending on the size, it takes 4 to 5 minutes on each side for the fish to cook. The pan-fried masala pomfret is ready to serve. Serve hot with pickled onions and lemon slices. For more such recipes, follow me at Mad's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.